Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your book of read now. Page number is 21. Today we will complete page number 21 of lesson The Lion and the Mouse. This is back exercise of lesson The Lion and the Mouse. Look at here. Question number 3 is question number 1 and 2 has already been done. Question number 3, I am going to read question number 3. Which is biggest and which is smallest? You will have to write after reading the names that are given here. You will have to write which object is biggest and which is smallest, and which animal is biggest and which animal is smallest. I am going to read the names that are given here. A part: lion, mouse, dog, elephant, cat. Which is smallest and which is biggest? I am showing you pictures of these animals that are given here. This is mouse and this is lion. This is elephant. This is dog. So students, after seeing pictures, you will have to write which is biggest animal and which is smallest animal. This is cat and this is dog. Lion, mouse, dog, elephant, cat. So we can write elephant is the biggest animal. You will write here biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. And which is smallest? Mouse. Mouse is smallest. So you will write here S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. Elephant is biggest and mouse is smallest. B part is here: apple, grape, raisin, lime, melon. Look at here students. This is picture of apple and grapes. Apple and grapes are given here. This is apple and these are grapes. Apple and grapes are given here. Now I am going to show you picture of raisin, lime and melon. This is raisin. You are seeing this is picture of raisin. This is picture of lime. It's mean we are talking about lemon. These are lemon. Look at here. I am talking about lime. It's mean lemon. Next one is of melon. M-E-L-O-N, melon. M-E-L-O-N, melon. Now after seeing pictures of these fruits that are given here, we will have to write which is smallest and which is biggest. We can write here raisin. Raisin is smallest. Picture of raisin. After seeing picture of raisin, you will have to write here smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. Picture of raisin. After seeing picture of raisin, you will write here raisin is smallest and melon is biggest. M-E-L-O-N, melon is B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Look at here. I am showing you again. This is raisin. So raisin is smallest and melon, that I am showing you, melon is biggest. Next one I am going to read. You will have to write raisin is smallest and melon is biggest. Next one: sparrow, crow, ostrich, hen, eagle. You are seeing here, eagle is bird, eagle is here. Here is sparrow. Look at these pictures carefully. Eagle, sparrow, hen. Here is ostrich. This is crow. Now you will have to write sparrow, crow, ostrich, hen, eagle. Ostrich is biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest you will write here. And sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow is smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. Next one, D part is pail, bath, jug, kettle, cup. Look at these pictures carefully. This is cup. This is picture of kettle. This is jug. And this is pail. Another name of pail is bucket. Look at here. Pail, jug. Here is kettle. And this is cup. Next one picture is a bath. This is bath. Now we can write here pail, bath, jug, kettle, cup. You can write here, it's mean we are talking about bathroom. So this is biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest right here, and which is smallest. After seeing pictures of these, we will write here cup is smallest, C-U-P, cup is S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. Next one, question number 4 is a diver is a person who dives. What name is given to a person who? You will have to write the name of person who rides. It's mean who rides a horse, who rides a bicycle, who rides a motorcycle. So you will write here rider, R-I-D-E-R. You will write here rider. Next one is speaks. A person who speaks is called speaker, S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. Jumps. A person who jumps in air with the help of leg and feet is called jumper, J-U-M-P-E-R, jumper. A boxes is here. You will write here boxer, B-O-X-E-R, boxer. Rides is here. A person who rides is called writer, W-R-I-T-E-R, writer. A person who robs, it's mean who steals, is called R-O-B-B-E-R, robber. Walks, walker. A person who walker, W-A-L-K-E-R. Teaches, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Drums, D-R-U-M-M-E-R, drummer. Who drums is called drummer. Talks, who talk is called talker, T-A-L-K-E-R, talker. Okay students, today you will have to complete question number 3 and 4 on book. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.